In a highly crowded mid-range smartphone segment, Xiaomi decided to release the Redmi Note 6 Pro with nominal upgrades. Let's see what they have in store. Starting off with the display, the Redmi Note 6 Pro comes with a bigger display thanks to the notch. When it comes to the display panel, it has good colors and display is visible even under bright sunlight. So overall, a pretty good display for this price segment. Next, when it comes to design, barring the notch, the design stayed pretty much the same. But I wish they could have made the notch smaller because it's too wide and also doesn't have too many sensors for the kind of space it's occupying. Other than that, I don't have any complaints. When it comes to performance remains the same as it has the same processor. They could have given Snapdragon 660, but I guess that's part of their cost cutting procedure. When it comes to gaming performance, I've played PUBG under medium settings. The game played smoothly with no frame drops or heating issues. In terms of security, the fingerprint scanner is very quick in unlocking the phone and it does so very consistently. Face unlock also works well. It's not the fastest, but it's fast enough for most people. It also works in dark environments provided your brightness is turned all the way up. In terms of software, the Note 6 Pro is running Oreo, and recently it's reported that the Redmi Note 6 Pro has been caught on Geekbench running Pi, so it might be coming soon, hopefully. The phone received an update from MIUI and the interface looks really slick and very pleasing to the eye. If you love MIUI, you're going to love this update. In terms of battery performance, the Redmi Note 6 Pro lasted a day and a half for me and it should last at least a day even for a power user. The phone took 2 hours to charge from 90 to 100%, and you can get a faster charger separately which might help the phone charge faster thanks to Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. But be mindful that Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 only works when the phone is not in use or it's in sleep. When it comes to audio performance, the speakers are good. It has a well balanced sound for a single speaker. Next, coming to an area where they actually made some noteworthy improvements, and that is the cameras. Shots taken indoors has good detail with minimal noise. Shots taken outdoors came out really well. I like the way Xiaomi implements AI in their cameras as opposed to some of the other brands like Honor. The changes are very subtle but also noticeable. It doesn't go overboard irrespective of the picture that you take. For most shots, auto works absolutely fine, but there are instances where AI can come in very handy. The edge detection with bokeh shots was also really good, and the pictures have good dynamic range in most instances. Pictures taken during night have noticeable amount of noise. Other than that, the pictures look respectable for this price segment. The Note 6 Pro shoots 1080p video, but it's capped at 30 frames per second, and the footage looks stable, and unfortunately there's no 4K video recording. Next, when it comes to selfie camera, the Note 6 Pro has two cameras, one for capturing pictures and the other for depth. And this is an area where you can definitely see an improvement. These pictures lack dynamic range, but I like the skin tones and the pictures look natural and the phone does a really good job when it comes to edge detection. So judging by that, the differences seems to be the notch and the camera, which might entice some people to upgrade, but most people should be fine with the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I personally think Xiaomi should do a yearly cycle instead of releasing a phone every 6 months. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified about my future videos. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.